randomized and put it on the Photoshop. Right now we have to click on the window button and select actions. When we click on the action button, we have to create a folder. Right now I'm creating a folder and set DC logo name on it. After you create that, click on the plus button and create an action. I change the name. Right now it is recording automatically. And click on the file menu. Photoshop 2021, the name changes. Okay. Right now we have to select, for example, a logo or a PNG file. I press the move tool and select both of the parts, and I change it with these tools on the top, because when the photo size changes, it can do it as well. But if you do it with mouse and the touchpad, you cannot see the logo in the part of your, for example, picture. Right now we have to pause the action. After that we are going to file. Okay, image processor. In the part 1 we have to select the folder which all of our photos in there. This is the folder which my photos are there. In the part 2 we have to select the folder which we have the export parts collecting there. I'm going to create another folder. For example, I rename it to the changes and select this folder for our export. Right now you can, in the part 2 you can change, for example, the quality of the image and set it export on a Photoshop, export TIFF. And if you want to export as JPEG and you have to create and put it on the web, just change the quality to 12, because it's tutorial, I don't change it. Then we run action, we click run action and click on the DC logo and select pull logo action, then press run. As you can see, all of the things done, and we have see the exported files and do it automatically. Photoshop do this automatically, and that's good for us. Okay, right now I'm showing you the changes. As you can see, these are different sides of the pictures. For example, one of them is vertical, one of the other is horizontal. Okay, I go to the changes folder. As you can see, the logo placed in here, and the size of them doesn't matter. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe us in the YouTube. Have a nice day. Bye.